Hi there, this is your host Adnan Hussain. Thank you for considering Instructor Online as your primary source for learning IT. Let's start a short video series, Session 1 for understanding containerization. Difference in between container and virtual machine. In older times, we used boxes, physical computer systems, to run application individually on each computer system. In this case, higher the number of applications, so the higher the number of computer systems to maintain. A computer system is comprised of an operating system and an application system running on top of the installed OS. With the concept of server consolidation, computer systems have been efficiently isolated and provided precise hardware resources through hypervisor, and hence a single computer system hardware, which is also known as server hardware, has become a platform for providing hardware resources to multiple OS environments, which are known as VMs or virtual machines. So keeping a virtualization in mind, what is a VM? A virtual machine is actually a software representation of physical computer system which contains hardware like CPU, memory, storage, and network. Our OS running on top of hardware and application running on top of OS. Hence, we have multiple virtual machines running on one physical computer system, which is also known as server consolidation. Whereas containers have got a similar concept, but architecture is a bit different and more robust. In this concept, OS would be shared across multiple applications, so we have consolidated OS kernel and enclosed applications in an environment which is isolating individual applications. Applications have been consolidated on a fewer number of physical computer systems with the same concept of isolated hardware resources allocated to logically separated computer systems. So, we found a huge difference in between virtualization and containerization, which helps us to identify simple but huge differences, ease of management in application lifecycle, less or no errors in configuration of application instances, high availability made easy. Thanks for watching this video. This was a simple and easy concept of understanding simple differences in between containerization and virtualization. See you next time. In continuation of this lecture series, you can also go through my blog detailing all what I mentioned over here with the simple examples.